Good morning to everybody. I'm Cristiano Fumagalli, co-founder at Mago.io. Today we are here in Jupiter booth with Justin Chong, that is the VP Sales Director Global of Jupiter.
Thanks, Chris. My name is Justin Chung. I'm the VP of Global Sales and Marketing at Jupiter. And one of the things we're going to talk about this morning is demonstrating Mago's spectacular collaboration platform, which we're partnered with in multiple levels and multiple opportunities on our Zavus XP. So this is our 5K, 165-inch diagonal, 0.7 millimeter pixel pitch, flip chip COB. Driven by Megapixel VR. The product has won multiple awards, and we think for applications such as this, where we've got a big collaboration wall doing remote control with a phone or a device in multiple use cases, it's a fantastic pairing with Mago. So I'm going to hand it back to Chris and let him talk through the software.
Yeah, thank you, Justin. So the experience with this big screen start by connecting our small devices, that is Mago Room Essential device. So Mago Room Essential, it's an IoT device that is plugged in, it's a plug and play connected to the LED wall and offer the full experience of Mago software. So thanks to the connection with the cloud, we are able to have our whiteboard or documents connected to the big screen, just scanning the QR code, and the Bluetooth proximity pairing is now guaranteed the physical presence inside the meeting room or the dealer shop. So that's the key. And even if I'm in 5G network, now we are at the trade show, there is a limited bandwidth, you see that everything is real time. And once the 3D model is loaded, I can change color or put in mixed reality and interact with the solution. Okay, so now the 3D model is loaded. I can put in full screen, and then I can change primary color of the chassis of the car, change the tire, and then I can put in mixed reality. Or I can also transfer the experience from this big screen to an interactive screen that you can bundle together inside the dealer shop. So now we can move since the model is in the cloud. Here we have the second very nice toy. Let me introduce with Justin the spec of this amazing, we call Lamborghini of the screen.
You know, that hurt Chris to say that because he actually owns a Ferrari. But anyway, this is our Pana X 105 touch device. We won Best of Show for this yesterday. It's still the same 21:9 5K resolution, but we added, multiple features. It's a 120 hertz panel. It has quantum dot. It's got 2,300 local dimming zones of mini LED backlight. So what we did with this is really bring the ultimate in home theater quality into the enterprise. It's got all of the enterprise connections you would expect, including serial control. And then in order to drive that 120 hertz 5K panel, we had to build our own OPS. So our OPS is pretty much a graphics workstation. It's got a i7 with an RTX 3050, a discrete NVIDIA graphics, and will make this thing sing and dance. So, and again, it kind of goes with our Zavus platform. We are the top of the market, the highest quality display systems, and partner with Mago on what we believe is the highest quality collaboration software. So together we make a fantastic pair. I'll let Chris walk you through the software on this device.
Yeah, thank you again, Justin. So building bad software and using the CPU, it's easy. You can see a lot of software solution that's stuck in terms of performance. But when you have these nice toys in your office, you want the maximum performance and quality. So the design of the graphic card of the Jupiter is perfect match for our software. So our engineer develop on GPU, and then you see the experience of writing, but also on 3D models on this big screen, so that it's perfect for any collaboration space. And Justin, you have multiple sides of the screen. You can start from 34-inch till 105-inch.
Yeah, we have a 105, a 94, which will be coming in Q3, and an 81-inch, all in touch and non-touch to fit sort of any kind of size need required.
Okay, so now we are loading again the same model that is hosted on Cloud Azure, and we can also offer the on-prem installation and the private cloud, because when you start to draw inside the whiteboard and easily you drag and drop file, etc., in our canvas you can have confidential files like 3D models or AutoCAD files, PowerPoint, Excel, and this data stay in the data center of the end customer. And Jupyter is taking care about the certification because work also with government, military. So let me show now the model. So I can continue to use my mobile, or since it's touch, I can also easily interact, and you see the performance of the GPU of this nice toy. And this is paired with FlatFrog. So FlatFrog pen, if you want to talk about on this.
I'll talk about FlatFrog and you can demonstrate it. So FlatFrog has been a renowned leader in touch technology, higher end touch technology. We've been partnered with FlatFrog for about 2 years now, developing this product in particular. So it's got all of the features that FlatFrog brings, not just single touch, but some of the palm rejection and some of the other software and advancements really that they brought to market originally and continue to innovate on. And for a device this size to have a touch overlay with a bezel this big is pretty spectacular in our opinion, and it's testament to what both Jupyter engineering and FlatFrog's engineering. All right, I'm going to give it back to Chris and his Teslas.
Yeah, you see the performance, so how it's smooth, so it's like writing on paper. So on the big disk surface, you cover all the scenarios, so even people, small people, are able to interact with this big screen, and then, of course, you can benefit of the amazing performance thanks to the OPS. And with Mago collaboration software, easily you can drag and drop any files from cloud, from YouTube, from images, and you can benefit of the hardware and the software all together thanks to the bundle that is exclusive 21x9 for Jupyter. So.
Thanks, Chris. Appreciate that. Thanks to Rave and all the viewers for coming out, and we'll see you next year.